Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to come to you and speak about what is sandblasting and what it's used for. Sandblasting is a surface finishing process that uses compressed air and abrasive. A lot of cases it's used to remove coatings or prep for coatings, create a profile on the surface for paint, powder coat, anodize, Cerakote, etc. This process has been referred to by dry blasting, sandblasting, glass beading. Pretty much you can use glass bead, aluminum oxide, walnut shells, several different abrasives in order to achieve the finish that you're looking for. So the different types of finishes are predicted by the abrasive that you're using and the pressures that you're using. This process has been around for decades. It's been used in several different industries. It's been the norm for years. And it's something that is very productive, gets it done quickly. It is something that a lot of shops, whether you're a mechanic shop, a CNC shop, or a industrial shop, is very familiar with. When you work with us at Vapor Honing Technologies, whether it's sandblasting, wet blasting, or parts washing, you're not just buying a machine. You're buying a why. This is our process. This is what we want to do, is be your solution to whatever issues you have or pain points you have in your shop. One of the things we like to do is offer free sample testing. So if you have samples that you would like to see how the sandblasting is going to work towards that finish, please give us a call, let us know. We'll be happy to take those in. Again, that number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.